Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have PANASONIC TX-50LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you where can you easily adjust when screensaver should be enabled. At first you have to go up so that you can see mic icon, keyboard icon, input icon and settings icon. Of course you have to go into settings. Now you have to scroll down to device preferences and now you have to scroll down again so that you can see screensaver. Here there is an option called when to start. You can choose 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.